Let's put music over it. God, look at the state of that. We had one of these and it died. Nice. God, they got some little lifts, haven't they? I tell you what, this is the most trailers I've seen. Yeah, little PTO saw. Is it? No, it's not. It's a diesel saw. Look at that. Beauty. Should be a heritage model. Many fingers have been lost here. What a bit of kit. Lots of attachments, lots of saws. Sight lights, anyone? Ah, now you're talking. This is what I need for my trailer. Trailer ply. Buckets. Another PTO saw over here, look. Nice trailer. So pop engine with a belt. Perkins. Another Perkins diesel. Nice. Love a Perkins. I have noticed though in the other section, and this is really horrible for me to say this, but I'm at the bottom of I would say carpentry and joinery world, and there's lots of people out there that get far more exposure. But I have noticed since I've been coming to auctions, the amount of carpentry tools, it's kind of shifted really. There's more carpentry tools now, carpentry and joinery tools at auction I've never seen before. Is that because lots of people are retiring, or is that because lots of people are leaving the trade? I mean, I won't take you inside the auction house at HJ Pugh & Co, because, you know, give them credit. If you want to find out yourself, you can look yourself. But the amount of table saws, planer thicknesses, dust extraction systems, hand tools and that, I think there's a massive skilled working issue that's only going to get worse, and this is auction. I mean, difference with auctions, you've got to have a registered address to be able to sell it. There's no stolen tools here. This is just simply people leaving their industries, and farmers that are struggling, literally selling everything and stuff. I'll show you that now. I've been coming to auctions for a long time now, and I've noticed a massive trend in agricultural and construction equipment. I think people are obviously just selling everything. Let's have a quick look. So this is the agricultural side. Equipment, buckets and attachments. I didn't even know Mitsubishi made tractors, and there we are. Every day's a school day. But yeah, I've noticed a massive influx of agricultural stuff. I used to love these when I was on the building sites. Little Manitou. These are fantastic. Great little machines. It's what I learnt when I was with Barrett Homes, Taylor Wimpey. We used to use these. Fantastic bits of kit. I'd love one of these. Let's get rid of Sarge and have one of these. Much better life. Easy to drive. Easy peasy. Much easier than Sarge. Yeah, great bits of kit. Yeah, I learnt on one of those. Oh, boom arm there. Nice. It's amazing what you find at auction. You don't expect to see some things, and all of a sudden, wow, you're like, how did that, what, you know, it's crazy how it's even got there. So yeah, there we are. That is the amount of equipment that is for sale tomorrow at Ledbury, England. My name's Ryan, thanks for watching. Remember, have a look at my other videos and go and find an auction. They're great day out, great day out.